Today I'm going to show you how I make Mexican street corn chicken casserole. Just going to kind of build everything in my 9x13 casserole dish. You can easily chop an onion, a red bell pepper, and a green bell pepper, but I just took a little help from the produce section of my store and bought them already sliced. This one's a little on the bigger side, so I'm just going to slice it a little thinner. And maybe this guy too. I've got the peppers and the onions in the casserole dish. I'm just going to slice 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs work well also. I actually prefer them, plus they're a little more cost efficient. Chicken's done. Gonna wash up and we'll finish. Time-saving hack for you is just using a container of store-bought street corn dip, somewhere between 10 and 12 ounces. Perfect. The minced garlic, just about 1.5 tablespoons of any taco seasoning. I couldn't decide, so I'm using the Blackstone tequila lime and street taco seasonings. A little kosher salt and pepper. You can use a spoon to mix this. I'm just gonna go in with my hand. And then when you serve this, you can enjoy it just the way that it is, or we like to serve it with tortillas, kind of like little make your own tacos. All right, so you saw how easy that was, and it smells fantastic in here. I'm gonna cover this with foil and pop it into a 400-degree oven for about 1/2 hour. So all we're going to do now is take the foil off. Smells amazing. Cheese of choice. This is just a Mexican blend. And then just right back into the oven for about 10 more minutes. Getting the toppings ready. The toppings are what is going to make this dish really stand out. Even though it's a simple weeknight meal, gotta make it pretty, right? We are bubbling. Yum. Going down with some hot sauce first. Cotija cheese. Fresh cilantro, just a few lime wedges. We're gonna serve ours in some warm tortillas and make tacos out of it. My kids like to squeeze the lime over top. Go down with some of these pickled red onions. These are just from a jar. I do make my own sometimes, but I didn't have any, so a little help from the store never hurt anybody. Let's turn it around so you can see it. It looks insanely delicious, and I absolutely cannot wait for dinner tonight.